make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hello, welcome. Please subscribe and stay around because I would absolutely love for you to join the family. So make sure you subscribe. So today's video is going to be my September favourites, and September is nearly over, which is absolutely insane. Like, where has it gone, honestly? I can't believe that it's nearly Halloween and Christmas and bonfire night. Like, I absolutely live for this time of year, but I also am terrified to the fact that Christmas is coming, and as soon as Christmas is here, like, the year is over and we'll be going into 2021. Like, that's just absolute madness. Before I begin with this video, I just want to say that obviously, as you guys can see, I have pink lipstick on, which is a bit odd for me, but I have been really enjoying it recently, but I'm not too sure if I like it on camera. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know whether it suits my skin tone or not, so yeah, let me know your thoughts, but be nice, please. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy, carry on watching, and yeah, stick around. Thanks. So my first favourite of the month has been a series on Netflix, and that is The Umbrella Academy. Now, I can't really explain to you what this series is about because it is really confusing, but it's basically about a group of children who were all adopted because they had special powers. I'm not going to give any more away, but it's really addictive, and it's very good, and I would really recommend it. It's quite hard to get into. Like, the first few episodes, me and my boyfriend were watching it and we were like, oh, like, I'm not really sure, and like, even halfway through season 1 I was still a bit umming and ahhing about it. I just wasn't really sure. However, I'm obsessed with it now. It's so good. Season 2 is so much better than season 1, so if you haven't watched it, honestly, do watch it. However, it is a little bit gory, so if you don't like blood and guns and stuff, like, don't watch it, but it is very good. So yeah, watch it at your own risk, but I do really enjoy it. So now moving on to all the physical items I can share with you. My food favourite of the month has been Reese's peanut butter cups. Now, you can actually get these in sets of 4, which is very handy when you have a boyfriend who thinks that when they're in a set of 3, he gets 2 and you get 1. So sets of 4 avoids arguments over a peanut butter cup. But I love Reese's peanut butter cups. If you like peanut butter and you like chocolate and you're not really watching your weight, this is a good one to go for. Very good snack, 10 out of 10, and I very much enjoy it. So peanut butter cups, absolute fave. I actually have 3 skincare items I've been loving this month, which is really odd for me because I don't tend to switch up my skincare or really even do a whole skincare routine. I know it's awful. I am a face wipe user sometimes. I know it's bad, okay, but I have been really enjoying a few different skincare items. So the first item I've been obsessed with are actually nose strips. Now, me and my boyfriend like to do these because it's just really satisfying when you get all your, like, pores out of your nose. Not your pores, blackheads even. And I really just thoroughly enjoy it, so I love these. I know you can get them basically anywhere, like B&M or Tesco, Sainsbury's, like any supermarket really, but I am absolutely obsessed with nose strips. I love it. The next item I've been really enjoying is a moisturiser, and this is the Body Shop Vitamin E Facial Moisturiser for normal / combination skin. I have used this for such a long time. I really enjoy it because it's a gel formula, so it's not overly rich on my skin. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. I just really like it. I use this every single day and I'm just obsessed. It makes my skin feel so soft, so hydrated, and it's not oily. Like, it doesn't leave like a horrible residue on my skin. So 10 out of 10, love this. I can't remember how much this is. I don't think it's overly expensive. I think when I got it, it was probably around like £5 to £10, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, really love this, would highly recommend it. And my last skincare favourite has been the Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Night Firming Moisturiser, and I bought this quite a while ago because I am 26 years of age, believe it or not, so I do need to look after my skin and I do need to use anti-aging products, which is so sad. However, I love this. It is quite thick, I'm not gonna lie. It is a really thick consistency, which I'm not so keen on, but because I use it at night time, I don't really tend to feel it on my skin. This has a lovely fragrance to it. It's really light and refreshing, but I just really like this. It makes my skin feel so hydrated, and hopefully it's doing something, but who knows at this point. My hair care favourite of the month has been my Lee Stafford Coco Loco hair oil. As you can see, I have used half of this and I love it. It smells like coconut, which is so lovely. It smells like a holiday, but I tend to use hair oils quite a lot on my hair. My hair is naturally curly and very dry, so it does tend to get a bit crisp after a while, so I always use hair oils every single time I put heat on my hair. Once I've done, I always put hair oil in. If I'm washing my hair and I let it air dry, I put hair oil in. I love hair oil, so this has been my favourite for the month and I just really enjoying it. I don't think this is a very expensive one, to be honest. Obviously you can get like the Moroccan oil one, which is quite expensive. I believe this one was on offer for like £3 or £4 and it is really good and has lasted me a really long time. So 10 out of 10, love that. My two makeup favourites of the month. The first one is actually one I'm wearing at the moment, and that has been the Body Shop Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Magnolia number 26, which is what I have on my lips today. It is a liquid lipstick, so it does stay on the lips, it doesn't smudge very much, and it is really comfortable to wear. I believe I have a nude one of these somewhere, I'm not too sure, I'll need to find that, I can't quite remember. But I actually bought this when I worked for the Body Shop a few years ago, and I just found it in my collection a few weeks ago, and I absolutely love it. So 10 out of 10, been really enjoying this. I think this was £10. I'm pretty sure it was £10, but when you work for the Body Shop you do get half price, so I think I paid £5 for it. But I think they are £10. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's £10. And my second makeup favourite has been the Benefit RSVP Creaseless Cream eyeshadow, which looks like this. This is a beautiful colour. I can't actually remember when or why I purchased this, but it is a really lovely item. Very similar to the Maybelline tattoo pot things that came out a few years ago, but this one is a really lovely one. Doesn't crease on the eyes. I do tend to set it with a little bit of a kind of similar eyeshadow just in case it creases, but I've not had any issues so far, and I love the colour. It is a really beautiful like pinky champagne colour, really nice for every day, and it just makes you look a lot more awake than you are, especially if you're like me and you are not a morning person, because this works wonders. And my last two favourites are both Lush items. The first one is a lip scrub, and this is the cherry one. Obsessed with this. I believe I've mentioned this a few times, but it smells amazing, tastes amazing, and I just absolutely love it. It's so lovely, and obviously I think you can still buy this. I'm pretty sure you can. I don't think it was limited edition. Was it? Was it Valentine's Day? Now I can't remember. I'm really sorry if this was a limited edition product, because I can't remember for the life of me if it was or if it's an all year round one. Let me know down below if you know, because it is so good. I love it so much, and I love lip scrubs, so if you haven't tried it, definitely give it a go. Love that. And my last favourite of the month has been my Cup of Coffee face mask. I actually got this one kindly gifted to me from my amazing friend Kelsey, who sent me a beautiful package. But this is so good. I honestly love this face mask so much. It's probably my favourite face mask ever, as well as Mask of Magnanimity from Lush, which I also am obsessed with. But those two are my absolute favourites, like ride or die face masks that I will always use forever and ever. I love them so much, and if Lush ever discontinued them, I think I would actually be fuming. Like, I would be fuming. So I really love this. This is basically a really nice scrubbing, exfoliating, energizing face mask. So great for in the mornings. Again, if you're not a morning person like myself, this works really well, and it just smells like coffee, which, as you guys know, I love coffee, so 10 out of 10 from me. So that's everything for my September favourites. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and also let me know down below what you've been loving, because I love having chats with you guys in the comments. Also, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're not already, and leave me some video requests down below, because I am slowly but surely running out of ideas. I have been thinking of changing up my channel slightly. I might film a life update video and talk about that a little bit more, but yeah, I think I might, but I will still be doing Lush, so don't worry. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, but make sure you follow me on all my social medias. All the links are down below. Check out my Instagram. We are nearly hitting 2,000 followers over there, so if you haven't followed me, please do. Also, feel free to go and follow my Depop, because I will be selling a lot more things over there very soon, so go and do that. Let me know how you are in the comments, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!